Abuin Noela, on 15th of June 2003, the LRA entered Teso through Achinga village, Obalanga sub-county, Kapelebyong district, that then Kachumbala district. They committed so many atrocities like rape, murder, looting and abducting children. So many people were displaced from their homes as they sought refuge in other places like Soroti. The people of Teso formed an arm called the Arrow Boys to fight and chase away the LRAs out of Teso, in which they succeeded. Approximately 8 months later, people decided to go back to their homes, and to their uttermost shock, they found dead bodies in houses, in fields and in gardens. They decided to bury these bodies. The people who could be identified were buried in their homes by their relatives, and those who couldn't be identified were buried in mass graves. And that's what gave birth to Obalanga Mass Grave, a tourist attraction in Kapelebyong district today. It contains a total of 16 mass graves that contain 365 bodies and a monument built in honor of the Arrow Boys. It is important in that it acts as an advocacy tool for the reparation of the damages committed during the war. It also acts as a war tourist attraction in which people come and see the only existing evidence of the LRA war in Teso. I come from the Inyakoi clan, a sub-clan under the Irarak clan. Our slogan, just like the Ichu has the slogan Emuria Koliai, we have the slogan Inyakoi Akiakiro. The symbol of the Inyakoi clan is a derich, and Ibonga la tekera Inyakoi erai among Echogor. This clan started in Apoli in Kachumbala district after the Iteso had moved down from Karamoja under the leadership of an elder called Chegem. Later on, they moved down to Opeta at the shores of Lake Opeta, where they settled for some time, and after some time they moved down to Ongino in Kumi district under the leadership of an elder called Ikelo, who was the son to Chegem. Later on, after so many years of settling in Ongino, the children, the grandchildren and the great-grandchildren of Ikelo started scattering across Teso. Some of them went to Kachumbala, some of them went to Malera in Bukedia, and then some of them went to Pallisa. During colonial rule, the British government advised people to occupy Amuria, which was a grazing ground, in order to control overpopulation in other areas. My great-grandfather, Gideon Akileng, moved down and settled in the today Atida village, Atira Parish, Kapelebyong district. What is unique about my clan is its names. Their names like Osu, Chegem, Ikeloi and Iyame that I've never heard in other clans apart from the Inyakoi clan. Some clans have the name Ikelo or Ikelot, but then Ikeloi in particular, I've only heard it in the Inyakoi clan. The other thing that is special about the Inyakoi clan is its taboos. The first one is Mama Nyamederit Karaida Tiro Naritiro Jikokoli Jakuan, and then the second one I mata kume piaka, Mam Ilongwa Alomunu, Redo Apakine Poiri Koko, Mam Idiotumaran Alomunu. The Teso traditional attire values decency a lot. For the ladies, we put on a sheet that you tie around the waist and then on the side, and then adorn it with beads as of done. What is unique about an Iteso lady is her character. She's loving, she's caring, and then she's hospitable. As in Ijayetekesetunga, regardless of where they come from. And then the other thing that is special about an Iteso lady is that she's a homemaker naturally. Teso girls are groomed to take care of just not only the family members but everyone in the community. The other thing that is so special about the Teso girls is that they have a spirit of sisterhood. You know, there is the thing that is so common that when you walk somewhere and you hear someone speak Iteso, there is that reflex action in you that forces you to turn back and look at the person and just interact freely with that person as if you've ever met them before. And that is a true spirit of sisterhood that is in Teso. Those days in the Inyakoi clan, when a lady was married into the clan, her mother-in-law was to teach her the norms of the clan, the taboos, and everything that the clan needed of the bride. And ipo ngesi nyamat mama chama kita ngesa ikodi nyamatara ngesa inakin tatake ngese kori nyamat epo tuateran mama chama kita ngesa pero kayo kile nike era ngesa pero kaya tatake toni ni dona ngesi toni do niko ku ikari yare yalama.
Raile timu lelo bota parlela akoko grupa kaburie nyare ni tomo ni joni lego jen just na paske ne saja choma ate keropu ko sakroni kamuto sei nono ngesilota Papa takeri onil vijande atakari teso kere ko isakiron losi sai nerande ini losi sai nerikulo ini losi sai nerikona opitena no Iteso Pape mori kosi ijo la poloni Oli moki kona jo iduelu Yobe bake inono kesi poro Viso masoto matekeri Openo rito sa chekuna tekeri Adeja simo Ikwape na tianganye Ikwape na dikuchito Apoli asyo kainya matu Mame imulo kinetal Pape mori kosi ijo la poloni Ida bada tekeri na Iteso Alomuni gobia hii Ina sodi tinata Alomuna tekeri abisinia Aitoruni turukan olomuni moto Oya una dukweke kode talomuna magoro Edolu Iteso lu magoro Geune muria ilia Ola tatije usu Kicheda muria Icheda solodi Icheda ngora Ola tatije bukedia Icheda Pallisa Icheda la yotolo Abe haritoni Kenya Ola sole umabere maida Dukuna tekeri no kumama Kerianu Iteso tenane araya ibiti bari Opitene lo Iteso epumakina tekerini Ojasa tekerini nutai katunga ukuboisi Ajasi Irarak, ajasi karekuko Ojasa tekoko toma keda icheda Ikisila ya sasi ketale aya itosa tekerini Ijao ye ni rwase moro singe tere kinale choro Kwa ya la terane ya una limono kinetal Ojasi kisila toma lwa beita ito Arete mate kerebe mama itinge sas Mama idoko kereka kuita raibore pone mbengun Ijao ye ni bile kisila jasa poloko keda elabet Ibarasita le muna tekeri aluchoro akoni diakaret Akira nuwe ichori nuwe no keta poloka kimote munen Idimidi meta poloka teso aidi manakini kejedue Ekote saribari tauriak mama elo kede ipajan Mama lingana kine dukune oro kapak Koswani konye na wasya ena pela ronon Mama ena pela rononi akonye ipolo
Ingmaru, chobole, wabrinyiro, yangataka, kisa nyerosi, chakirio, upeper,